Hello everyone, today we're going to be learning about fossils. Please either take out your guided notes or paper and pencil to take notes as we go along in our PowerPoint. First, we're going to be going over our standard. Students will analyze and interpret data from fossils to provide evidence of the organisms and the environments in which they lived a long time ago. Paleontologists are scientists who study fossils. When a plant or animal is extinct, it does not exist on the earth anymore. For example, dinosaurs are extinct. Living things such as plants and animals are called organisms. Decay happens when an organism dies and is slowly rotting and finally no longer existing. When paleontologists preserve a fossil, they are keeping it safe from being destroyed. Fossils are the preserved remains or traces of organisms that lived in the past. Fossils can be used to understand past events and environments. For animal or plant remains to have become fossilized, they must go through a process that preserves them for millions of years after they have died. There are 4 types of fossils we'll be talking about today: trace fossils, mold fossils, cast fossils, and true form fossils. Trace fossils are what you're looking at now. What do you notice about these fossils? Trace fossils are a mark, footprint, trail, burrow, or any other trace of a plant or animal. Click here on this link to watch a video about trace fossils. When you're done, exit out of the video and come back to this PowerPoint. Next, we have mold fossils. What do you notice about mold fossils? When an organism, a plant or an animal, dies and is covered by sediment, which is rock and sand, it creates an impression. Once the organism decays and dissolves away, a mold fossil is formed. Next, we have cast fossils. What do you notice about these pictures of cast fossils? These fossils form when minerals fill inside of a mold fossil. The mineral creates a 3D cast that looks like the organism. Did you know that most dinosaur skeletons in museums are made by using cast fossils? True form fossils. What do you notice about these true form fossils? True form fossils are fossils of the real plant or animal part. Using science, we have been able to learn about the plants and animals that were on Earth long ago, even if they are extinct now. Now we're going to start our experiment. Get out your Imprint Trace Fossils worksheet. First, we're going to go over the rubric and read the directions, and then you will be completing your experiment. These are the 2 worksheets you should have out. First, we're going to read through the directions. You should have your materials, which are 2 cups of flour, half a cup of salt, 3/4 cups of water, bowl, spoon, a leaf, pebble, flower, twig, etc. that you found outside. This is the rubric we will be basing your worksheet and fossil off of. Please read through it before completing your fossil. Once you're done, please turn in your worksheet and your picture of your fossil to your teacher. If you have any questions,